welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody has been well and staying safe at home, quarantined with their families and loved ones. So since last time I posted, it's been a while, and I just wanted to do a quick update on how my transition has been, about what I've been using and what I've been up to. So I have not shampooed my hair in 1.5 years or more. I do not know the last time I shampooed my hair. Like when I go to buy hair stuff, I don't look at the shampoos anymore. I just look for conditioners and co-washes. And the reason is because my scalp is so dry, like my skin itself is so dry, so it's no surprise that my scalp is dry as well. And my scalp was just super white all the time and like flaking, and when I would put like edge control or gels, like just my dry skin scalp would mix along with the gel or product I was using, and it was just not cute. It would look gross and my hair would look dirty, and I did not like that. So basically I stopped shampooing my hair, and since then what I've seen is my hair is not as dry anymore. I do not have as many split ends, and my hair is so strong. Before, when I would brush my hair, like I thought it was normal to just have like just hair falling. Like I would literally like see like just strands of hair falling down. So now I don't experience that anymore, and when I wash my hair, like I do not experience like a ball of hair afterwards, like to have to pick that up, and like I was losing my hair. But anyways, I had a lot of it, so to me I thought that was normal. So anyways, I do not experience as many split ends anymore. And let me tell you, I know it's because of the shampooing, because let's see, my birthday was back in November. Back in November I went to the salon and I told this girl, I said, ma'am, please do not use a foaming shampoo on my hair. Use a no lather shampoo, or like just use like a conditioner or a cleanser. I don't know why, okay? I don't know if she didn't hear me, but she nodded and she told me, okay. Tell me why a few minutes later, all I heard was the of the lather, like there was soap on my hair. And then she straightened my hair afterwards at the salon, and I am such a passive person that I just sat there and I just let her do that to my hair. And then like as she was straightening my hair, I just saw it. I just saw like strands of my hair just falling, because my hair does not do good when it is shampooed. So I have found out my hair does not do good when it is shampooed like that. So what I have been using are conditioners, co-washes, and sometimes I mix a little bit of apple cider vinegar with water, and I like really like just use my fingers. I typically don't have long nails, and I just go in there and I really scrub my scalp for a few minutes, and then I rinse it off. Also sometimes I use baking soda. I make a paste with the baking soda with water, and I just kind of section my hair. Also guys, sectioning my hair has helped me so much in my transition. Before, I literally just used to put shampoo and just go like this, like you know, that's how my mama used to wash my hair. So that's how I grew up washing my hair as well. But now I section it into 2 sections, and I always do the front first and then I move on to the back. Otherwise, if you do the back first, then when you do this, it's gonna go right back here. So do this first and then go to the back. So anyways, my hair is stronger. My hair has not been shedding as much. It is super hydrated. And what curls I do have are popping. Okay, my hair is deciding if it wants to be curly or if it wants to be wavy. It's a little bit curly in the back, it's a little bit wavy in the middle, and super straight just in the front. Like in the middle of my head, it's just straight. It's not playing. It does not want to join the game. It's like I'm just staying straight. I'm not gonna be curvy, I'm not gonna be curly, I'm just gonna be straight all the way. But anyways, your natural hair oils are super important. So also what I have changed, before I was washing my hair about once a week, and because my hair was so dry before, by the time that my hair oils would be back, I would have already washed it. So I'm guessing that was probably contributing to my dry scalp. It was just a white dry scalp. It was not cute. So if you see a sister walking around with just the white things, just pray one day they will figure it out, okay? You know, we all have to try different things to see what works for our hair. So that's it. Also, what I have changed is that I am not obsessing over my hair anymore. Before, my whole goal was to just have long hair. Like, I just wanted long hair. And then I was like, but why do I want long hair? Like, I never asked myself that question. Why do I want long hair? And knowing myself, like, I'm too lazy to be taking care of my hair like that. Like, I had long braids before and I know what it feels like to have long hair, and it was not cute. Well, it was really cute, but it was not fun. It's just a lot of maintenance, and I just want to have healthy hair now. Now my focus is healthy hair, and I trim my hair every once in a while. I think I'm just like a medium length hair girl. Not, my goal is not long hair anymore, okay? I just want healthy hair. That's it. Also, something else that I have been doing is I've been taking multivitamins. And if you're like me and you were obsessed with hair before, I used to take biotin. I've taken fish pills before. I've taken the hair, nails, and skin vitamins and all that stuff. And you just take multivitamins if you are looking to take vitamins to promote hair growth, because vitamins work together, you know. Like, for example, I used to take iron pills, and then my doctor was like, girl, you need to also take some vitamin C or have some orange juice in your system. That way it can absorb well. So don't take just one pill for just one thing, because your body's not going to be able to digest it and process it well. Just take a multivitamin. If you guys want some recommendations, comment down below and I will recommend some things. And also, if you want to know the products that I have been using in my transition, I will list them down below. Well, just comment and I will answer your comments, because I've been using a lot of stuff. So anyways, I am going to undo my hair so that you guys can see what my hair looks like now. Ooh, it feels so good when you let down your hair. Ooh. Okay, so this is my hair now, and it is curled right now. So this is a leftover style I did a few days ago. So my hair is naturally not this, it's not like this, okay? If it was, I will be happy, but this is like a style leftover. So anyways, see, my scalp is not flaky anymore. See, you can see skin, not white. And my back is actually naturally very curly, which, thank you. Now if everything could do that, that would be awesome. But again, my hair is still trying to figure itself out. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up. I forget to say that sometimes. Thumbs up, guys, okay? So I can make more videos, okay? A girl need a job out here during this quarantine, and I'm gonna do some Instagram. I'm just kidding, I'm not doing Instagram. I like social media, but I'm not into posting too much. I just like looking at other people's stuff, okay? Anyways, so this is my hair. It is pretty long, actually. Last time I posted on YouTube was sometime in 2018. I believe my hair, I cut it and it was straight. When it was straight, it was like right here. I made sure to tell the salon girl, I told her to just make sure that it like barely touched my shoulder. So it was pretty short, and that's when it was super straight. So anyways, now, see? It goes all the way like right here. Like right where my bra, well, a little bit to where my bra starts. So yep. So again, strive for healthy hair over long hair, okay? If your hair is healthy, it will be long no matter what. Trust me, okay? I don't know why I keep doing this. It's just I keep seeing my lip on the screen and I like it like this. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up my videos. Say hello, I am back. I'm going to try to be consistent this time. I will be consistent this time. Just do. I think that's what Yoda said. Just do. Don't try, just do. So I'm gonna do it. this time. Anyways, look forward to some food videos because your girl like to eat. I'm small, but I love to eat. I love some African food. If you guys have any video recommendations or some hair stuff that you guys want to see, comment down below. My name is Fatima. If you're new to my channel, let's be friends. Join the beautiful people group. And over here, if you're a kind person, you're a beautiful person, okay? Okay, I don't know why I'm talking like this, but it's nice, it's calming, and I like talking like this sometimes. Why am I like this? I don't know either, but I'm totally gonna clip this in. Okay, but for real, make sure to comment, share my video. I'm pretty sure I left out a bunch of stuff. I tried to go by my notes, but I didn't because I'm me. I'm gonna do a 360 and say goodbye to y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Adios. Aswa falego. Aswa afi asewa. You know what I'm trying to say. Goodbye. Hasta la vista. My desk is right here. I forgot I can't turn that way. I'll just turn this way. Mama. Bye guys.